izule obvious nami usuqhaqela Movies yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngeside kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka
Another day, another awesome episode of the Creative Unplugged podcast esiphinde safika and niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no-iChild Africa.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl iChild Africa, and welcome to another awesome episode. Nazi-ke nani sihlezi sinidalela sinilethela
Into ezimnandi.
ezimnandi.
Ama-creative avela sikhumbule uma sekuhamba isikhathi, sister of the show.
Yeah, brother of the show.
Ngifuna sithole istudio sirekhode leyo ngoma, sister of the show, sister of the show.
Yazi mfethu mangase kube khona studio la Movies Media, mangase kube khona nje boss lady, lunyana nje studio nyana. I think ngenzeka.
Yeah, we're working on that. We do have a studio because manje masine studio sikanje sinama monitor, sinama sound card, sinama keys, sinayo yonke into nama mic akhona. And ikhona la sarekhodela khona phela EPA to the Creative Unplugged podcast.
At the old location. So mele sivule kabusha la.
Okay.
And invites everybody that's here and see how we can do things.
Yeah, how is things eThekwini with the creatives ku July? Ngiyabona ukuthi abantu busy kuyasetshenzwa.
Yeah, right. It's been busy. I'm not gonna lie, it's been busy. But my event phela Ethekwini awaphelile vele is from Monday to Sunday every single day. And also, between the 26th and the 29th of August, we have the Music in Bizo, which is represented by 20 countries globally.
Nice, yes.
It's going to be happening at UNISA. And we also have 7 different venues for showcasing. So we have international artists coming from Nigeria, coming from Netherlands, coming from Germany, that get stacked.
Yeah.
So we're also going to be there as the creatives.
So it's the film and the music festival
Yes.
from the 26th, 27th, 28th.
And 29.
And 29.
Yes, across 7 venues.
eThekwini. Kwaze kwamnandi eThekwini. Kwaze kwamnandi eThekwini. Siphila kamnandi eThekwini.
Yeah.
But I can't wait for you to introduce our guest today.
Yeah, Shem ngomkhupha Shem. Yeah,
Ngiyakhumbula sinaye kwi-event yalo script laphana.
Yeah. At the warehouse.
Warehouse.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I'd like to introduce Duse Wavy. Welcome to the Creative Unplugged.
Yeah. Welcome to the Creative Unplugged, my man. Ulale bishi, ubungekho etishi, shuthi manje usurishi.
Issue.
Hey, bro, busy ngani these days? What are you busy with these days, my man?
And whenever you're shooting, I've seen some of your stuff. Ngena phakathi emanzini yawo. Kodwa nje awusabi. Or into zakho ama-wave.
Awunganjela izigama wave.
That's dope. Yeah. So content for something that you're pushing.
Yeah, it's a real music video visualizer on just different takes, yeah.
Yo, I think I need some motivation. Imagine he went to the beach to shoot a reel and it was serious.
Nombede,
Habe.
Nasuqula nobafo lapha Kilo JG. Yeah.
That's so dope, man.
Yeah, it was fun. It was my first time doing. I like labo lanto la ngathi into mayicabanga ngenza same time. So that's what I like.
Yeah.
But then just had to say actually let's go to the beach with umbede yabona amashiti. It could be different. Yeah. I don't think I've seen someone doing that. Limes and so that mhlawumbe phesheya.
Yeah, umbede beach ayina mangazi ngubone.
Hey, thina sesizwe.
Mina ngawufaka Murphy's kuphela
mina. Restaurant
Hey.
labana, sema-pub labana. Hey, ushaya ampahla. And be recent, like 2 weeks back.
Yeah.
With the umbede kambe besuthathe
Best to go.
Best to go.
Yeah.
Shout out to Best to go. Shout out to you, man, because I'm a concepts and ideas anjengalawo.
So kumele
Siyadingwanyakazisa.
ubafonele mhlawumbe.
Ngizobatsha best to go. Yazi ngempela message something actually. Hit me up.
Okay, asivukeni bafethu ngoba besikhuluma ngembhede sewulana. Ngithi mina mfethu yipi ingoma esingaba ngenisa ngayo ukuze abazi ukuthi masikhuluma ngoDusi sikhuluma ngobani. Yipi ingoma esingabadlalela yona?
I would say usebenzile, yeah.
Usebenzile.
Yeah, usebenzile inspired by
DJ, awusiphi usebenzile? Usebenzile kodwa kule ngoma ngeza wonke
And it's not isicisha something. Angizosho. It's not like a city like a situation.
Hey. But most important ngithanda ukubonga uAntiseptic. Yeah, that's my producer so. Angisebenzanga ngedwa besibaningi.
Okay.
Who's on the production?
Rem Dollar. Rem Dollar produced the beat, and then
Yeah.
Antiseptic engineered the sound.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah. Uyasebenza antiseptic.
Too much.
Eish. Yasebish ngempela le ngoma mfethu.
Awusizi.
Literally.
Literally. Hey, bekuyikhendi ezini.
Ay.
Iyakumotivate le ngoma ukuthi ugcine uney'nkomo ngempela esibayeni.
Too much.
Uthi uma uphuma ushaye itiye noma ushaye islip sakho uyibhuku ukuthi hey, ngisebenzi.
Ngathi ungaphatha ikhofi kanje uthi.
Like a long drive.
Yeah. On the long drive. Oh.
I'm sure seriously, manje kumzansi in your soul.
Yeah.
I'm sure. Because this, you did it.
Yeah,
I'm not
last year.
surprised.
I want to do it again because I feel like last night was too soon.
So, hey.
Ay, siyabonga DJ. Yo.
Yo,
Hey.
I already feel so relaxed.
Okay. Yazi ngizama ukuthi ngehlisa uma. Usebenza noma kule track my brother.
Yeah, kule track Rem Dollar produced
Yeah.
the beat is from Manchester. It was all the way from
nice.
Manchester.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
and then Antiseptic put wami the whole EP ngaphandle kwaZandile because ngawurekhoda Misfits and he produced the whole song. But this one specifically, it's Antiseptic, not Rem Dollar. Yeah, bese uba uNikhilita kwangisiza kakhulu with the Galo situation. I don't know if you guys know Umfazi Omnyama.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Yeah, so khona lento kuthiwa interpolation yabo used inspiration or
Yeah.
something in the song.
Yeah.
So I didn't know anything about that, yo.
Serious?
Yeah, and then
I
the
mean,
time is-
ngisathi ngizokubuza phela
Yeah.
ngiyazi le ngoma ukuthi iqhamuka.
no, so I released the song
Yeah.
mhlawumbe sekudlula 2 weeks yabo. I had an idea ukuthi yabola one way or another kwente kumele ngiyenze mhlawumbe yabo
Yeah.
reach out nana. So I did that, but they were not responding yabo. And the song was on hundreds and something K streams on YouTube yabo already. So uNikhilita ke waqhamuka at the perfect timing wangibuza usengeke ngayilungisa and then wangisiza from lapho. Yeah, bayilungisa ka belungu kwa right. Kanje manje so.
That's so
But
dope.
it's interesting how it happened. Yeah, yangifundisa okuningi.
Yeah.
So like ukhulele bra your background ikephi ekhaya?
Uma kabongwe wasesikhaweni ngizalele esikhaweni empangeni. Impilo yami yonke actually.
Oh esikhaweni.
Impilo yami ngikhulela
Empangeni.
esikhaweni ngafundela khona. Kwaze kwaba 2020 ke sengizofunda eUniversity at UT. And then ngaqeda 2024. 2023 ngasa graduate 2024.
Okay.
Lapha kweso Amenisto.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
still DJ
Event.
Skills, old Dolphin,
Yeah.
yeah. Hey, you typed in,
Yeah.
No, shout out to Amenisto. Amenisto used to host. They're still hosting a
Ukwami.
event.
Yeah, big time,
They're still hosting a event. Amaningi yabo esikhaweni. So as a young and nakhona sahlezi DM uthi yo cela usifaka big dog those
Yeah.
So shout out to him. He's doing amazing for the culture. Not DJ Monai with one more nights. There's a lot happening lapha e-O35.
Yeah.
I feel like uthi indawo encane abantu abanayo kodwa nje yabo e-O35 umhlaba wakhona.
Big
It's a hub.
time. Yeah. So ukhulele kaDube lapha.
kwaDubo
Idube
wanzwakela
limthetho.
amaqhama yeah showcase
So
mbuyazi
ukuba creative and music already njengoba uqala ukufunda ngalo usuvela uthanda music.
too much because even before ukurecord yabona nani ngangithanda ukulalela nje umculo
Yeah.
ukulalela I think most of my artists ukucula aqala ngokuthi awulalela yabo and obviously leyo nto ayivele yenzeke without abantu aba around wena so for me it was e-timer wawulalela umculo anama-CD wanesikhwama sama-CD amaningi abo R&B Lenny Williams masuba ushino Mtekhala-ke bese kuba oba Michael Jackson usisi wami wangi-introduce again the time esanda kushona kodwa but nje ngakhula ngulalela umculo ngidansela Michael Jackson
Sakuzikhombisa.
waqala nawe kuwona-ke
ngase ngangena
like with singing
okungena-ke kodwa kuwona ngangena sengimdala ngifuna uqamba I was doing grade 9 I was doing grade 9 khona omunye ubafo because ngangafuna ukungena because kuthiwa Illuminati ngangilele hip hop kakhulu so omunye ubafo-ke engangijwayele ukuthatha kuyena ingoma yabo like into yokusendela ingoma ama-memory card so I said actually mele urap because you've been singing ingoma zabantu and ngangikwazi went ukwazi ucula ingoma zabantu ngangikwazi ucula ingoma zabantu so asimele ngibhalele zami because ngiyayithanda lento ngase nganqaba and then like 3 days later ngabuka again ngase actually sikephi studio yabo sihamba studio ayiboza ingoma but I think ukube aze ngihlangane naye uLwazi Supreme ngabe ngabaze ngiqala so ngaqala lapho ngabhala ke ngacula ke ngangirapha kodwa yabo and then only last year lapha engivele awuthi mhlawumbe kwakuyinto ukuthi khona umuntu owathi noma mina nje ngavela feelazi I feel like I need to do something new, something fresh, challenge nje so thank God ukuthi kwenzeka ngalendlela ukuthi kuba usebenzile because kunzima ukuthola isound yakho lapho uzoba comfortable khona yabo kunzima impela akukho lula
and it's such a rare genre to for people to choose in your soul.
It is. It is, but also I think it comes with the inspiration yabo nje from ama-acts all around all Vuyonke all Misfits Thando Zitho Leah Butler Key Wave so it's like I'm too tapped in so
that's dope. And then
so khona nomunye usisi wangakini esake sasebenza naye kuthiwa Symphony Soul.
I think I know the name. Yeah.
Bejwayele ukusebenza no
I know the name. Ngiyamazi that's my OG. I know Hobonoid, but Symphony Soul, I know that name. I know their name. I just like angikhumbula hle from where, but I really familiar cool.
So
you said you went to college. Where did you go and what were you studying?
Ngangise-TUT ngangifunda i-drama because yona ngangifunda high school yabo eKhandleleni. Ngaqala ngafunda Old Mill yabo. Should manje Old Mill bafunda i-maths serious accounting serious I'm not gonna lie, I'm not good with numbers so I was ngangifeyila empilweni yami yabo but ngimuntu owaziyo ukuthi yabo la ngathi kuzojump so angifuni ukuforce so ngatshela abazali bami ukuthi ahlahle mina nayo into engiyithandayo and thank God ukuthi abazali bami abasibona abazali
abacontrola naye
especially umama babe nali time but umama wayichila kakhulu yabo wayichilile like umama wayenginikeza nje nemali yokuthenga i-beats khona umuntu ushide kuthanda wayidayisa ama-beats.
That's so nice. Ngo 50 rand?
But I think it's only because ngangahlupha mfuna uqama so ngibona ukuthi wonke umzali mothi ingane ayihluphi uba nayo lo mpahla so very it's like so ngaba blessed ngalokho.
Okay, that's wild. Okay, manje we some beats ngo 50 rand. I'm sure manje now say push manje.
Nah, unfortunately, I don't think unfortunately he's no longer doing music.
Oh, he's
but
a baller.
I definitely know he's doing well because last year he bought a car, so he's doing good, bro. Like, cause I know from where I'm from, it's coming back. If you're buying a car, then that means so he's really trying. So I'm proud of him.
And then when you first saw E-Reception, when you first obviously I'll say blew up because it was via social media, cool, because that's where I was introduced to your music. How did it feel? How did it happen? Because push and then that one moment it's almost like it happens overnight. So how did that happen and how did you?
It's Google exactly anjalo. Because it's like abantu mabebona le video bebona usebenzile whatnot, it just seems like ngathi ngivela ngaqhamuka nje ofisana ngade kade sakhuraza hamba sekogoli zonke lezi itorisho abantu ukuthi nima egoli uyashizina and it's true so but how it happened was ngangila eThekwini kwakungabo 1
AM
1 p.m.
Oh,
kanje,
PM.
I mean, I was listening to beats because I mean, kusuke ngekho umuntu endlini yabo. Bafuthi basebenza yabo ne-audit lesebenza, so it's like ngiba ne space yabo. So yeah, I was playing beats on YouTube yabo nani. Then I came across lena ke RM Dollar yabo. And it was different obviously from yabo the hip hop side. And then kwazenzalela nje ngezwa le flow nje ukuthi yabo like the message ukuthi let me just be ake ngisho something mhlawumbe close to my heart, something engingathanda ukucula ngako kakhulu akuthi ngivele ngicule ngako because I feel like that's yabo iyona into real ngibe vulnerable yabo. So yeah, ngiyamkhumbula mama, so ngase ngacula ngalokho wena but I never planned on dropping it yabo. Nga record voice note as a draft yabo to like have an idea. Masebebuya ke emsebenzini abangani bami ababuza ukuthi kanjani injani ngoma, and they liked it. Like ukuthi yo mina angifuna uqamanga like azi ngithatha serious nga yabo reaction yabo yangenza okay, I can add this on my album mhlawumbe ibe intro or out yabo just yabo.
Yeah.
Kanti it's just
Kanti yona.
Supposed to be a singer, something that needs to fly. You know, it needs to be everyone's ears.
Yeah.
And nice.
But
nice
it's social media or angisiza kakhulu because ngaposta WhatsApp and reaction yavele angineza low confidence because I'm also a person like especially back then like self-esteem low and balele ukuthi ube ne confidence when so back then I used to have angenayo confidence at all, so mase ngipost leyana it was like hey bro,
I can do this.
Hey ngangibona ukuthi ngisona ke ngizofa so ngase ngayiposta go Instagram on TikTok abantu basebayithanda.
Yeah.
It was nice. So even no big home Shava.
Yeah, I was
sent
about
it
to go
him
there.
before he pulled me. I was low-key, I wanted a feature.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I didn't want to be like, hey.
Yeah.
Then he was like, it sounds nice. I said, I'll see. He posted yonking down.
Yeah. It's so amazing to hear you expressing yourself like as a young star, as someone who's passionate, as you know, I can feel your heart like right now I'm connecting with you. Like, unkumbuza even me ngisaqala or doing my own thing. That's how it feels every time. Like from the moment of ukuthatha ipeni, going to the studio.
Uyikhumbula yonke.
Yeah, and knowing exactly ukuthi lento ngifuna hit, ngifuna ukuthi it's reach abantu aba-right, you know. So kukhona ezinye ingoma mhlawumbe ungathi wena before usebenzile ngenze umsebenzi kanjena mhleko ngabona ukuthi okay sengiyabona ukuthi I really like music. Khona ingoma okwazenza. Mhlawumbe ngama beats of 50.
Yeah, no, angaze ngarecorda kuma beats abantu yabo. Kodwa the first song go with Sticky Cheeky. I khona ingoma enginayo
Sticky Cheeky.
That is Sticky Cheeky. Keep it really cheeky with me. Sticky Cheeky.
Oh yeah, hip hop ngempela.
Hey, hip hop. Nani ngiyakhumbula ngayibhala ngisethwele iverse lokuqala. No, serious. Ngiyabhala ngisethwele and the punchline laphana ukuthi I write in a toilet. Wow. That's why my lyrics are that's why my lyrics are dope, shit.
All the shit.
Yeah. And ngangiwena blind but and abayithanda ke abantu. So I feel like say do say.
Yeah.
But that's the first song engenza freelance and then got besides nje ingoma engayenza.
Sounds familiar, yes.
Yeah.
Ingoma engasho ukuthi nayo yangenza ngafreelance yo I could actually do this. Ubuntu khona ingoma enginathi Ubuntu, and in a message la ngoma it's a rap song and it's just khuluma nje ngempilo yami ukuthi I was stressing about making money for good, stressing about making many relationships. Show me your love and I'll show you Ubuntu. I had to go home, reflect, talk to ugogo nomkhulu, light up a candle. So nje it's ingoma engasho nayo ngangi express again just like usebenzile nonguye yabo. Ingoma iba mnandi futhi abantu bayithanda kahle if uzoyi expressa wena hayi uthi ngifuna ukwenza ingoma just because this is trending.
Uzokwenza hits.
Wena yabo mozo isho ukuthi yini ekuhluphayo.
Yeah. Khona bazorelate. And then I'm like waqala ukuperforma because I'm sure growing up like that and njengoba uchaza ukuthi it was your first popular song, had you already been performing because I see you in stages right now?
I've been a couple of shows though, and it's actually like it's a shift because now mele manje ngiqale and know how to perform with ama bands or like live bands. I didn't even know a person who plays my instruments. I knew Misfit, yabo.
Yeah.
But now only after, yabo.
Yeah.
So it's like, mina ngomuntu nje uthi I must have so show spati USB. Pay.
Yeah.
My
Good
beats,
deal.
And but this one it needs
BV.
it needs you to like fully lock in
Yeah.
performance wise, if it's like uyicabangele yonke leyo nto leyo. So it's kind of different, but I like it.
Yeah.
So I've performed kumzansi Neo-Soul.
Neo-Soul, yeah.
It's like yona ngasho ukuthi show epic kulo mkhakha lo. Yabona, I'm also gonna perform Kwimbizo.
Music in Bizo, yeah.
Yeah, and previously I caught my shows before. Wasn't it? I think ngiyakhohlwa amanye, but nasekaka FM I did
I saw
perform
like
live.
uperformile ku Blackie.
Yeah, Somnyama Fest,
Somnyama
Cotton
Khona
Fest,
Nasewe House.
Nasewe
Yeah.
House. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I caught my show, my performances, but I feel like you are asking specifically about the Neo-Soul
Neo-Soul,
space.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, angaga perform kakhulu with the band. I've only
yes, with
performed
the
like
band,
once.
yeah.
So it's something, and also izolo nje. I was speaking with this other homie of mine that was gonna help me direct a musical show. So izo zonke izinto lezi engifuna ukuthi ngiqale manje
Build your community.
ngibheke like ngisebenzisane nama bands. Yeah, because this is live music.
Yeah,
It's
it's
something
amazing,
I like.
right?
Futhi,
Yeah.
it's
I
amazing.
love live music.
Yeah.
Plazi.
I love-
Nangu umuntu uyashaya neband lapha. Ngithanda
Ngempela.
band.
Yeah.
Bese ayikhala Sun Network.
Yeah, hayi so izokhala. So manje mfethu njengoba ukuthi you shooting ama reels, are you shooting music videos? Are you
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm shooting a music video.
and
Ngathini ngiwashutha nga-one kodwa
Yeah.
hayi ukuthi ngishutha music video for like the whole
the whole
because I'm still independent, so it's like budgets.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm shooting a music video. I wanna make ngiyathanda ama visuals. I started doing visuals before rapping or singing. I was doing a ad cover or Casper Fest.
And I like your style. Yeah, it's very curated.
Yes, mine I was doing a ad cover or Casper Fest, but first I should say I was actually doing a ad covers for Casper. I was a fan who was making ad covers as a fan. I went back to akaze ngahlangana no Casper, akangazi uCasper.
Uzokwazi.
Yeah.
Very
one
soon.
day, yeah.
But I like the creative direction behind your shoots. They're very simple, like they're very minimalistic, but yet they speak to
Like an album,
your brand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you
like
the one curating them? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's me and Ile and Kilo. I will put them both two.
Okay.
Njoba ngisho lethu lesayiqala well bona babe dance yabo. They're still dancing. So mina ngangumuntu uthi I'm coming here to like shoot you ama video ngin editele. It's like simple videos yabo dance and from there on ngangisanda kuqala ukurap, so ngabathi ingoma yami ngasi yo let's make a deal.
Yeah.
Let's I'll shoot you guys
Yeah,
ama
trade
video
exchange.
nina no dancela ingoma zami.
Okay.
Ngisaqala lapho and they're actually good homies abazokwenza ufeel ngathi abazokwenza ufeel ukuthi yo you're actually nice with it, so abe nami ngaqhubeka kakhulu kusaba till this day since 2016.
And your reels, that's what shooting high quality.
Nah, actually it's a phone.
Because I wanted to know, is it a phone? Because
We're
I'm
using a
suspecting
phone.
it might be
I'm
a
a
phone.
music video like if we music video, official music video,
Yeah.
then it's not a phone. Never.
Okay.
It's not a phone.
But these reels,
yeah,
Jelawa,
but ama
usengeni,
reels,
you say a phone.
Yeah, it's like
Hectic.
it's a phone.
You also have in your office.
Hey, that's ngiyayisaba.
Ujangena nje phakathi ube mdala lapha.
Yeah. No, then I think manje ngiyafa first. Kodwa ngiyayithanda izinto. I like ama visuals
Yeah. I like the fact that you're going all out with your creativity. Yabo lona ungena manzi ngicabanga nje kwaleyana.
Also, Charles Butowski, uthi find what you love and let it kill you, I guess.
Yeah.
Which?
Ngisi.
Wanna be killed by waves.
Hey.
God forbid.
Nah, khulekani.
Yeah.
So what you're looking forward to do now in your career? Because obviously you say one direction, what direction it's taking. What are you trying to do now? And who are you trying to work with? What kind of vibe are you trying to build onto?
Right now, the most important thing for Nugian is to do a show. Like I'm a show, but I like quality shows, not I amaning, like quantity
Yeah.
yeah, I wanna do
Intimate.
yeah, I will promote it for like 4 months, 5 months. I will show it solid yeah, and just push.
Now tricks njengoloki now uthi 3 months nje minimum.
Yeah, kanjalo nje mfethu ngenze show ukuthi hayi iyaboila mfethu ikhukhe ivuze. Ngifuna ukushaya ishow ecishe efana njengo Red Bull nanani. Yabo?
Ooh,
Yeah, so I
see
don't want to
those
limit
ones.
myself. Angifuni nje ukuthi mhlawumbe ngisabe.
Yeah.
Red Bull is excelling because now you will get uthola ukuthi kune orchestra
Yeah.
on the event sometimes. It depends.
It's also the
on how
Coca-Cola
you do
ones.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola, the one that Masego does. Or Masego.
Oh,
or FKJ.
Yeah,
But you see what Masejo does? Yeah. Also, what I want to do is I want to create a platform. Angazi noma siyenze big YouTube or whatnot, but I want to create a platform where we're performing live, but visually, you know. Then I can just invite my guests, like Miss Faye, Leah Butler, or people I have songs with. You see, the days where or DJ when they performing live.
Yeah. That makes.
Yeah.
Shante ngathi song ini.
For any
The ini. Lepa ini pasale ya shawa la pale nama Google la pale.
Piano cast, man.
Le apeshe. Le is
Tiny desk, yeah. Tapped in. But yeah, I want to do it tiny desk elincane bese tafule elincane.
Tafule elincanyana.
So kuze tafule elincane singayibiza ngani ngipika.
Khosombini angazi.
Khosombini.
Ngiyahlala.
Khosombini. So ibiza ngokuthi ekhosombini.
La ekhaya sashutha ke njengobona nje.
Osho soshuta la naye.
Shuthe phela.
Asishaya plaza kulona ikhosomba.
Hayi lena emana ke.
Sosha khona. Yini kama studio?
Movies Media.
Movies Media.
Yeah.
Say movie.
I'm a pick it up.
Yeah.
Man, it's in email.
moviesmedia1@gmail.com.
I'ma check it out. Check it out. It looks cool.
But yeah, sikhona nje everywhere, Instagram, TikTok,
Nesithombe
Facebook.
banza
You can see
stabula
our
mfana.
work.
Uma ngasubona nje Instagram wami nje yeah. Sebangidabula nje.
Ngisho at cover nyana, album cover, you know.
Yeah. Sunday uzokhukha up, uxolisa uzokhukha up ngesithombe. Then mawufuna ama video futhi sikhona ke.
Sashutha vele.
Let's operate.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngifuna ukuthola laphana kuma feature ngoba ngabona kulo script sikule nto njani the experience ama feature ngabona usebenza negenge yase PMB oMaraza lapha kunengoma enizenzile ubani usebenze nabo.
Well, firstly, shout out to Gang as a PMP.
Oh, yeah.
S Black. That's S Black
it's
Entertainment.
Black Entertainment.
Yeah, S Black Entertainment. Those are my brothers.
Shout out to Black Entertainment.
Yeah, those bros are pushing.
Yeah.
They pushing hip hop. Trying to make it be alive as much as possible, especially at PMP.
Yes.
So they do shows and they, like by outside. So they usually bring us modes in this corner. Like we as my creatives, Loki, Maraza, Touchline. I know them through Touchline.
Yes.
I'm sure now Loki knows them through Touchline. So it's like genuine good brews, and we're just pushing music. My shows here, Samba song, and Joe and Nisbon and La to support a lot of scripts.
Yeah.
So yeah, but besides them, I've worked with Touchline and Maraz. I haven't worked with him yet, but we have that relationship, and it's also from my hometown, Nebo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I've worked with Touchline. I've worked with Ovionke. I've worked with Babalwa. I've worked with should I mention the unreleased? I don't like mentioning, isn't there, a unreleased buffets? I'm not gonna.
If you're not comfortable,
but I've worked with actually.
Yeah.
I don't honestly futhi angaka sebenzi nabantu kakhulu if you check out my music, but besides this Nyoso phase, I've worked with a lot of dope rappers out there. La Cabra, Dahood Hope, Lo-Fi, Geppetto, actually Onka Makwela.
Oh nice.
Yeah. No baba in the hip recall. Oh yeah. Young Kid Reezy. Horrid, no look, we have a song with them together. So and now a lot of scripts.
Yeah.
So, shout out to Phonetical Beings as well, yeah.
Niyasebenza bafethu. Yo.
Noma ubuye manje mfethu. Kade
I'm on.
Nini.
Hayibo I'm always.
Angeze ngimfosa yazi.
Awungasikade ngikhiphe ngisho EP.
Yo, khona nengoma
I'm on ukuthi nje
there's a song that's also coming out I think on on his projects, Okay Mom Kuket.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
That's
Yeah.
also exciting. I keep forgetting names, Buffett.
Nah, zibakhumbula.
Yeah.
So, like, what's your strongest point between a vocal and then writing rhymes?
Yeah, actually, that's a nice question.
Into
I'd say writing. I'd say
Oh, it's
writing.
writing.
I'd say writing because I've been writing.
Yes.
Yeah, well, even before using my voice, you know,
Yeah.
and singing vocally, I'd put it on the second place because it's like I'm still getting used to it. I was a singer, but singing in a hip hop way. Yeah, well, yeah, but now it's actually time. You have to like be in this, you know.
Yeah.
Use it. And I wasn't a fan back then of like listening to other music, well, besides hip hop.
Yeah.
I was heavy into trap. Yeah. So it's
Yeah.
just
But what's so sensitive these days when you talk about the vocals because kuna
Yeah.
AI, kuno credit. Abantu bafuna ukuthi hey cha
Is it so lapha? Is it real or is it credo? Guys.
kodwa naye kusho wayezama but
Oh. Yeah, shooting.
AI
Mina,
ngokupolishela ivoice yakho mase kufanele
I got-
kuface
how do you
abantu.
guys feel about the AI?
Seventeen.
I don't like it.
Yeah, how do you guys feel?
I don't
For
like it.
me, I'm using it. I'm also a Suno guy.
And it's a
For real?
Yeah,
On
not
songs?
like too much. But I compose, I relate more with the because ngimdala kwi-game of music. So mase ngithola something
At least when I use
Fast
it as a
quick.
tool.
Yeah.
as a tool.
At least mawubekwa lapha phambili. So kusazokuza umkliko lo culala.
Yeah, so but
But manje wethu
I actually have
Yeah.
a song with Credo V Daniels.
namanga.
I do.
yeah,
I thought you guys were saying this just
I
because
was
we
no.
troll. I have a song with him, and
Really?
it's a lovely song. I'm not gonna
Yeah.
lie.
So
Okay.
you guys were using AI. as well.
Wafita eserekodile noma?
I've never linked up with him.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wasenda ama-file.
Yeah, he said not files. He
Alright.
sends the audio.
Oh, okay.
So he I don't know if it was it's his manager.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they sent out a song. Yeah, well. And I was like, I know this guy.
Yeah.
Credo, ne? And obviously there are rumors that he is using AI and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know? So ngihambe ngimbuke kahle ngibukisise, check out the comments, check out the music. Music is nice, but obviously abanye bathi AI, abanye bathi yeah. So I'm like, yo, is he using AI for real? Or because especially the song imnandi. But I just want to know, is he, you know?
Singing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then but no, he uses AI for
Choirs.
and the beats, you know?
Yeah.
I still felt like, you know, like,
Yeah.
but but me specifically, I liked the song, so I felt like, hey, bro, maybe it's one of those decisions. Also, you never know. You might be clapping, you bridging the gap. Clap it, like if you're not hopping on this, then clap it. What if people? Because there are people who are like, yo, you should work with the Credo. I think maybe that's why they sent the song, because like from his side, they were, you know, Yeah. yeah. But I've never actually thought of working with him or, you know, sending something to him until he reached out with that song. And at that time, obviously, that was before him performing. But I like the song, honestly. And it's whatever. If he chooses to do that, that's his decision. You know, if you guys don't like AI, I respect that. You know,
I mean,
it's
I don't
like-
mind the AI if you use it as a tool, but like, sengathi ungaba honest about it.
Yeah.
I think
Because
you
you're gonna be
embrace
booked, you're gonna
it,
be, you
yeah.
must embrace it because the arrangement is proper. Like the arrangement is nice, and I feel like there's a few people who know how to actually utilize AI like him. Like abantu bezebedide kuthi hayibo yona noma kuyona. But then don't finesse because now you're gonna be invited to live performances. And
You know, and then it's gonna be tricky.
it's gonna be tricky.
It's gonna be tricky. 'Cause I think
Masukuba
I think the reason why people are, some of them bengayizwa kahle lento ya Credo V Daniels, I understand. It's because that's if he's lying. It's because he doesn't want to admit, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at Emile nje ngobhozo uthi
Yeah,
"Hey,
so-
usebenzisa ikhwaya
yeah,
kuphela,
so I
but
think-
na-
Yeah, you should just own
polished
it.
kakhulu with into ongakwazi ukuyikhipha la.
La.
So it's not you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Shame.
but I mean, all in all, I respect Isbindi Saka because, like, no, for real, like this industry is controlled by the record labels. Like
Yeah.
abantu esingabazi thina, they do whatever they want to do with ama masters A to na. So for Credo V Daniels or about uba lo omunye uRia Hopana, the other guy who once did AI.
Yeah.
So for people to like do something with phone yabo, be uploadele, and it just like it takes off.
Yep.
Leyo nto leyo mele see respect. My
Yeah.
friends. It takes a lot, you know.
Yeah.
Bese,
Cancer,
yeah.
Food, like right now, I think there's less productions like it used to happen
Yeah,
before.
because now you
As
bypassing
sign
our
artists,
contracts.
there's
Yeah.
DistroKid. You can release your own music.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All United
You know?
Masters, Soul Disho. I mean, I'm using Soul Disho, and it's
Yeah.
like it's helping me. Like whenever I want to upload, even today I was uploading a track.
Yeah.
You know, I'm dropping soon.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Nice.
So maybe it's a topic for another day with the AI.
yeah.
I'm
yeah.
a royalties because you are creating a song, you are writing and everything, but other
The co-
royalties they ayakubani
Aya-
for
ulo.
i-composition lapha beat and
That's a nice
iyona into eba
topic.
i-problem
Yeah.
leyo.
I will honor your AI.
Wait,
Is the-
wait. You
Serious?
guys
Yeah.
are still talking about AI?
Yes.
Oh, I.
They're going to the owner of the AI because as much as you did prompt it, but you're not the one physically, you don't have any instrument.
Yeah.
The AI is the one making the sound. Even though you can prompt it, you can maybe get for writing. If you wrote the song yourself, then you can get
you
for
the-
author.
For writing.
But if you didn't write it, if you sampled and you didn't sing, everything goes to the owner of the app of the AI. Because the AI yenzile, even though
so when you register kaSambro ufaka yiphi
I
owner?
say
Ubani lo muntu?
you can't.
You
they
can't.
don't. I think they took down all these songs on
Yeah.
Apple and Credo, unfortunately, because
From
the AI
Apple,
can't
yeah.
collect royalties.
Yeah.
It's just an
Yeah,
artificial
trend, great,
intelligence.
Yeah, and like me now, I would like even people to comment on that as time goes on, even on this podcast, because now it's a sensitive, serious topic. It affects us as creatives.
Because another
you know?
thing is
Okay.
that with the sound, with the voice, it's AI is taking from existing vocals, and then
Yes.
let's say, for example, I'm not saying it's him, but let's say it's from Java, and you program hear my
Yeah.
elements
I
as
was-
Java,
yes.
and then what happens to Java? Okay?
With the prompts,
Melina is a bit able.
Yeah, I was about to say, ukuthi as much as ngishilo ukuthi ne umuntu ayenza into ayifunayo, I think it's very wrong to take someone's work
yeah.
and use whatever you're using just for your work, and then you don't even credit that
them.
person.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
Honesty is the best policy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good time.
but I think that's a topic for another day. We're gonna invite somebody that understands AI, and we can
then-
enlighten you guys even more.
Yeah.
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 I would love that.
You
I would
guys
enjoy
like
this.
nifuna mhlawumbe number manager Credo.
Oh, my bad. Oh, sneak.
No, sneak.
Aye,
Let's-
guys,
Sneak, it's smooth, but it's
Yeah, I'm
usually-
kidding.
Yeah, I
spoke-
just said
I've
like,
spoken
and
to him.
everybody deserves to tell their story.
So abantu mabekufuna bakuthola kanjani?
Yeah, hey mina ngikhona kuwo wonke ama inkundla zokuxhumana. So on
Yeah.
TikTok it's Dusay_wavy1. But even if you type Dusay Wavy, kulula uzongithola because there's no other Dusay Wavy.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And on Instagram it's Dusay_wavy, DUSSE_WAVY. And on YouTube it's same Dusay Wavy. Twitter Dusay Wavy. LinkedIn Dusay
You
Wavy.
sure? I'm serious.
My email dusaywavy.co.za for bookings, for if you're trying to check out my latest music.
Nice.
Works.
Yeah.
Basically yonke into zethola lapho.
Any upcoming event?
Events like eceleni.
Yeah, ukuthi nje khona
Uzoperforma
perform
or-
somewhere.
Oh, I'm going to Swaziland for the first
It's
time.
true.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
we're going outside of the
okay.
country, so.
Ulungisa passports kambe moya.
Senginayo.
That's all.
That's how you know it's in I know.
Serious.
Sengiyahamba. Usuhamba home affairs.
Yeah.
So yeah, but no, there is an event. Engi excited, it's the Imbizo festival. you know.
Oh, the
Oh,
music in
yeah.
Bizo. Yeah, for
I'm
sure.
really excited for that.
It's gonna
one.
be nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and also I've once performed Guisho Yambuso cause that might be the biggest show for me in the space lane also, because it was as a
Richard.
chairman, yeah, as a chairman. Shout out to Uputumbuso cause I was the only artist or a headline.
Yeah, headline. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm following line up and it's like, yo,
Nice.
Umbuso cause, yeah, and
Yeah.
that was fire.
Fire.
No,
Guys,
I'm just like ngidonsa something lana with this sakho.
Do your thing.
Because when I was looking at the profile with the numbers, I'm a letonjani.
Yeah.
Yeah, for you.
Yo. I wanted to say that live. Abantu mabesebenza, bruh. Like I was looking at the Insta, I was looking at the TikTok, the numbers. Njengoba uwafakile la kwi-profile, I'm like, yes, kuyasetshenzwa la.
Yeah.
So people, they really like what you're doing, bro.
Yeah, people have no kana ngiyabonga kakhulu nje kubantu sits kwanami ngibuye ngazi yabo kuyimanje angazi ngithini yabo because angikwazi ukuprocess lento but it's just amazing.
No, I think it's good to have like a distance from the famous to say maybe like that's how most artists have alter egos so that you don't lose your humility. You don't lose ilokunjani.
Even my followers like.
Oh, so yeah, your Spotify is like 210K monthly listeners. YouTube is 1.1 million. And
that's crazy.
Yeah, man, and and then obviously social media, Facebook 70K, TikTok 145K, Instagram 25K.
Hey.
Yeah, and it's still the beginning. Well done.
Nice one. So, yiphi ngoma mfethu ungathanda ukuzwisa yona today?
Was performing
Unguye,
yeah. Nice.
Okay.
The Creative Unplugged podcast with Achad Africa noDuce sesivala ke kodwa ke sivala ngeperformance emnandi ngendlela eyisimanga. Khona sikhohlwa mfethu utholakala kanjani wena?
I mean, Achad Africa across all social media platforms. If you want to book me, achadafricabookings@gmail.com. Yeah, ngikhona nje.
Yeah.
Wena?
Usihle wakandima aka Mhligo. Umhligo usihle wakandima wonke ama-social media platform bathi-ke wonke umuntu uyangazi if ungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje njengoba ungibona umuntu nje ohamba oyithandela ukusebenza nomphakathi ethandela ukuyishayela ama-freestyle oyithandela i-hip hop non-stop egcineni umthole emele bus stop eyifakele i-full stop.
Can I ask you anaqala kanjani ukwenza lo msebenzi
lo podcast?
Yeah, because Buffett's a professional. I'm not gonna lie. It's like I can tell this thing is not scripted, nah?
No.
But I understand the energy. It's like nothing I'm a robot. It's like it's amazing. It's like Naya's a Q and it's okay. Now you're gonna do this and how to bring the combat. Like generally, how did you?
I think when we started the Creative Unplugged, it was the Movies team with the idea. And then as time goes on, I invite
invite as an artist.
You know?
No, not as an artist. So it means interview
as a guest.
As
a guest.
And
then mase say hey angisahambi ke la ekhaya kumanje kanje and then ke saxhumana sagcina sisebenza ndawonye. But with us like we are so passionate with the arts and then myself with ama creatives we wanted to open a platform la sokwazi ukuthi abantu bathole nje ukuthi bashare journey yabo. Of course ngokufika kweni la e-studio nizobona ukuthi senzani and then siqale sisebenzisana yabo lona. But basically is to give abantu a platform to make sure ukuthi bayazi ukuthi eThekwini. Phela mawufuna ukwenza izinto kumele uhambe eJozi plus thina suku production sithanda ama camera sithanda i-lighting and everything so we wanted to do it la eThekwini. Ungazuthathe lento le uyeJozi italent lakho ufuna ukuyoshootha la something eJoburg, let's do it here.
Kukhona i-studio I didn't even know.
Saqala studio sincane manje sikule studio speak yabo because kuyasetshenzwa sesineminyaka siphusha lento so iyakhula production and we always giving back with the Creative Unplugged. So it's another side of us of giving back to the creatives. Ngicabanga lo mbuzo ngiyawuqala and we are live on Creative Unplugged podcast. Thank you very much my brother for coming through. Thank you very much with your energy and the fact ukuthi wasesikhaweni travel and then uze ngalana uzosupporta. Siyabonga kakhulu bro. We love your music. Continue with the great work that you are doing.
Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment to where you're watching us from. Until next time.
So Zonbona, bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.